guys, I'm gonna be teaching how to carve your eyebrow under 5 minutes. So using nothing but just the razor blade. I'm not even with eye brush comb. I'm not with any brush at all. Just razor. This razor blade. This one. So guys, all you're gonna do is just to use your finger, just your finger to spread your hair all out, and this is what you're gonna do. So next is using your razor blade. You just start to trim. I'm trying to use my phone camera, so I'm not using any external camera. So all I'm gonna do is using my phone camera and my razor blade. I start from the tip to gently trim off the hairs. Remember, there will be an arc around this place, so I'm gonna leave this place untouched. Then I'll come towards the side and trim off a little. Then the next step is to go below here. You try to raise your eyebrow up, like okay, this is normal. You try to raise it up like this so that you can get the actual curve that you really want to, like this. So you start from the tip here. Depends whether you like bold or you like it normal. So whatever you like. Most important thing is we are going to create a kind of an arc around our place. So you start going, and as you're going further, this place that there will be an arc, you try to go a little bit up than the rest so that arc will be so obvious right there. Like right here, you can see what I did. Okay, try to trim off the hairs and then start getting down, not so up. Can you actually see what I'm doing? You gotta be careful not to cut yourself. So voila. Oh my god, it's different from this. This is just scattered. This is arranged. You can see what I just did. So wow, it's very simple. I've done the side, but I've not done the side. So we're gonna repeat the same step that I just did, starting from the up. Most people start from the down, but sometimes you're gonna start from the up. Remember, you're gonna do the same thing that you did on the other parts. You don't touch the arc. You leave it and come down here a little bit. You don't touch that side. Remember, I'm not touching it. So the next step is to start from below. Start from below, and you can see some hairs are going out. Sorry guys, I didn't have much of a light to do this, but we're gonna do this. So guys, we are almost down. You gotta be careful not to cut yourself. So I'm gonna trim this place a little. Wow, I'm done. So hey guys, this is it. I'm done. You all can see what I just did. It's nice, it's very okay, and without the arc is, let me come out a little so that you can see the lights. Yeah, okay, I know a lot of you will be bothering about my skincare stuff. I don't know normally. Okay, I take care of my skin, but I'm not really I'm not really into skincare, but I'm just trying the little I can to actually take care of myself. So if you are really so interested on the cream that I'm using, you can inbox me or comment down below so I can tell you the cream that I use. And this is just my natural self. Like, it's just how I am, who I am, and that is it. So guys, What do you think about my eyebrow? Oh my god, this is very nice. And this is a wig. This is a wig actually. I did this wig. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Your thoughts is really so important to me. I love you guys and thank you for keeping the energy up going. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for everything. Thank you. So, how does it look? I want to show you guys a closer picture of what I just did. So, what is your thoughts? What do you guys think? Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for watching. Thank you everything. This is just a rough video. No voice edited, nothing, no picture edited. It's just straight from my phone, straight from my camera. Okay, I just want to do this and see how it goes. Everything is not just all about editing and trying to make everything look so cool and so awesome. This is just how I just decided to roll. This is Sunday. Decided to roll like this. This is actually my front camera, not even my back camera. So thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you for watching the AC day. Thank you. Let me press the little. So remember the title of this tutorial is just how to do your eyebrow under 5 minutes. Just under 5 minutes you're done. I love you. Thank you. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Thanks. Love you guys.